You would like a blowout tutorial. First, we gotta start with layers. So we're gonna do everything on this side. Grab the hair and cut in a diagonal line. When I'm cutting, I'm doing this all the way down. Just little open and close motion. Now we have a diagonal line. Start with your shortest layer. My shortest layer is right here. I'm just gonna grab a piece of hair like this and cut. You're just gonna make it a little bit shorter. Pin that away. Now find your shortest layer again. Right now it's right here. Grab a section, see how it goes short to long. We're gonna cut this. Now we're done, clip this out the way. And again, now it's all the way down here. Same thing. Pin it out the way. Now for the review. If it's looking a little choppy, just go in with the point tip method and just cut it like this to soften up any hard lines. This hair is giving Y2K. Section the front from the back and put that in a clip. Take the back, pull it all the way up, hold it in your fist, and do the butterfly method. So go straight across and point tip. Run your hands through your hair and see if it comes back forward. You did it right. I'm gonna do the other side off camera. The hair is cut, so we're just gonna lightly mist it in some water. Watch my beauty room while I go get more water. I'll be right back. Brush the water through your hair. Now add big blowout to your hair. Run that through the mids and ends of the hair. Now take some foam and put it in the roots of the hair. All right, go to part 2.